I'm traveling from Hanover. Let's see how much I can enjoy in Berlin in 2 days. How many places do you think I can visit in those 2 days? Arrived in Central Berlin Station. S-Bahn, DB train, subway, trams and buses are all connected through this hub station. American Express card is not accepted at most places. I want to leave my luggage somewhere. By platform 15, a luggage locker is present. The rate varies from 2 to 5 euros depending on the size of your luggage. I don't want to carry my suitcase for sightseeing. The first destination is 30 kilometers southwest off of the heart of Berlin. I came to Potsdam. Yes, a place known for Potsdam Declaration. I'm heading for Sanssouci Palace in this city. Built in the 18th century by Prussian King Frederick the Great as his summer place. Frederick II spent most of his days in this palace during his age of 35 and 74. The architecture looks like a Greek style. I'm familiarized with it after visiting Athens last month. Sanssouci is registered as the World Heritage at UNESCO. Frederick II is known for doubling the national territory and for being the one who popularized the potato for eating when Germans were still not used to eating it so much. Today, Germans cannot live without it. A large number of palaces was established in Potsdam, enough to be called Northern Versailles. Sanssouci means without worries. The palace is 100 meters long and hosts 12 guest rooms. And it stretches by 2.35 kilometers from east to west. I want to have a summer house too. I don't even own a regular house though. The concept of this palace is the harmony of people's joy and nature. Weinberg is a landmark of this garden. The king expressed artistic landscape by exhibiting those wine grapes consumed by people at the palace. We could spend a whole day at this palace, but I have to leave now. I see a gate in Potsdam. The Google calls it Brandenburg Gate. That gate should be in Berlin, right? Yes, there are 2 Brandenburg gates. Brandenburg is the name of the new state made after the Cold War, and the state capital is Potsdam. Potsdam Brandenburg Gate was established 20 years earlier than that of Berlin. Frederick II built this Potsdam Brandenburg Gate in victory of 7 Years' War. Arch of Constantine in Rome is the model of this gate. I brought my suitcase from Berlin Central Station to my hotel once. I have nothing to lose now. Are they graffiti or art? On my way to a train station, I saw beautiful trees that I'm familiar with for some reason. German people enjoy relaxing around the trees too. They call it Zierkirche. Tourists like me find it hard to get a correct train ticket because we don't know the service zone properly. To make our life easier, buy a whole day ticket through app. Let's go to the most symbolic place of Berlin. Brandenburg Gate is one of those 18 original gates that served as customs declaration gate to enter Berlin. Commissioned by Frederick William II of Prussia, this gate was built in between 1788 and 1791. Brandenburg Gate and Paris Square were inspired by Acropolis architecture, and the gate played its role as a reception to enter Berlin for more than 200 years. Above the Brandenburg Gate is a sculpture of the Goddess of Victory in a four-horsed chariot known as quadriga. The statue was brought back to France when Napoleon defeated Prussia. Later on, the goddess was taken back when Prussia won the following battle. The German Federal Parliament is right behind the gate. It has a transparent cap that was newly designed after the World War II. Let's visit another spot while I can. Berlin Dome is the largest Protestant church in Germany, and its iconic turquoise blue roof proudly attracts visitors for a pray. Founded in 1465 as a Catholic church in the beginning, it got redesigned to the Protestant church upon Protestant Reformation led by Martin Luther. With that history, this holy place blends both Renaissance and Baroque-style architecture. This is also where Wilhelm I, the founder of German Empire, rests in peace. Berlin Dome is a neighbor of museums on an island. One of the most visited places in Berlin is on this island that hosts so many museums with great reputations in Europe. Not only those precious assets inside the exhibitor rooms, those museums themselves are quite artistic, and we can enjoy walking through those museums on the street. How many steps did I make today? Let me see Berlin Dome once again at night. Brandenburg Gate 2. Another 2,000 steps are added now. Yay! I just ate a bread in the morning today. I'm so hungry. This restaurant is one of the few places where I could use American Express card, thank God. Tomorrow morning, should I visit a place that is far away from my hotel or close-up places at first? Let's think about it when I wake up tomorrow morning. Good night! Let's visit a neighbor spot first on my way to a distant destination. This area is not as cloudy as I thought. During 1961 and 1989, Berlin Wall had separated Germany in east and west sides. Before I came here, my stereotype about the wall was like an old and devastated bunch of bricks after the wall was destroyed by German people in 1989. That's what I watched on TV when I was a kid. But I was totally wrong, and actually this wall turned to an artistic palette. Actually, 118 artists from around the world gathered in this place to change it to a symbolic, peaceful place. I want to take a bus, but they are delayed for more than 30 minutes. What happened? I have no choice but walk to the destination. What kind of sport is that? Today it happened to be the day for General Berlin half marathon. No wonder why buses are all delayed. Finally arrived. Charlottenburg Palace was built in 1790 out of love by Frederick I when his wife Souci Charlotte passed away. So this is like Taj Mahal in India, isn't it? The project started in 1695 and eventually took 100 years to complete this palace as we see it now. Inspired by Versailles Palace, this royal palace adopted Baroque style. This palace is said to be the most beautiful palace in Berlin. Each Prussian emperor is portrayed in this room. It will be good to spend a couple of hours to enjoy those treasures, but I had to leave in 90 minutes. I see a church that looks heavily destroyed. What happened to it? Kaiser-Wilhelm Memorial Church was established in 1890s by Wilhelm II to commemorate Wilhelm I, the founder of German Empire. The part of the church has stayed damaged without any repair to remember their own history during the World War II. This church may be Hiroshima Dome for Japanese. Are those wall paint peeled off due to the wall too? I still remember this image at junior high school world history class. A miniature of pre- and post-destruction. Today, we are facing wars in Eastern Europe, Middle East, and so on. We shall pray for peace. Pieces of Berlin Wall. Checkpoint Charlie Museum is above the gift shop. Many East Germans tried to escape through hidden tunnels. Checkpoint Charlie was used to divide Berlin into East and West, controlled by Soviet Union, USA, UK, and France. Who the hell is he? Sorry.
Okay, go.
I see an American burger shop in the west side. Is that a coincidence or on purpose? I think he wants a burger too. Go upstairs to see the overview. TV Tower stands in the former East Berlin area, another symbolic landmark of Berlin. I like the color. The biggest downtown of the former East Berlin. Hackesche Höfe is a shopping mall with 8 courtyards inside the complex. The name of Hackesche came from a commander-in-chief at that time. This complex is about 120 years old and was registered as an important cultural property in 1977. Originally, this place was the largest residential apartments in Europe where a lot of Jewish craftsmen and artists used to live. Since tuberculosis, known as Berlin disease, was prevalent at the time, the space was designed to allow for fresh air. It's time for dinner. I didn't eat lunch today either.
Potsdam Hauptbahnhof, über Zoologischer Garten, Westkreuz.
My 2-day walking tour is finished now and I could visit 14 places. Did you like it or would you prefer to stay for longer hours in selected places? Thank you for watching this video and I hope my tour gave you some rough idea. Danke!